You searched how to buy shares of GEE Group Inc. G Group is a U.S. staffing and workforce solutions company that provides industrial and technical staffing services. Its shares trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker JOBA. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy JOB, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identification document and add funds before placing any trade. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker JOB to find the listing. Make sure you select the matching NASDAQ listing for GEE Group Inc. before proceeding. On the stock page, review the basic company profile and the price chart to confirm it is the correct security. Check the displayed ticker, exchange, and brief company description to be sure. Click Buy or Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, and choose the order type. Then carefully review the details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may remain pending, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio shortly after execution. Check your holdings to confirm. For reference, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same example.